We had discussed the before lecturer three working principle and diagram of the 3-point stator. This is the 3-point stator. Today I will discuss the 4-point stator diagram and working principle. First one, working principle of 4-point stator. A 4-point stator protects the armature of DC shunt motor or compounding DC motor against the initially high starting current of the DC motor, because same working principle of the 3-point stator. Here is the very high current in armature is produced. Okay, before lecture I have DC shunt motor or compound on DC motor against initially high starting current of the DC motor. The 4-point stator has a lot of construction and functional similar to the 3-point stator. This is the 4-point stator. This construction are more similar to the this is the 3-point stator. Okay, this is the 4-point stator. Similar to the 3-point, but this special device has an additional point and coil. It is construction as name suggests. But this special device has an additional point as coil. Its construction. But this is the 3-point structure. Why it is called 3-point stator? Because this is 3-point mainly. L is line which is connected is supply positive, and F is field which is connected in field winding. Their current is supplied from resistance through NBC, and this is the armature point A. This is called armature winding. This is connected to armature winding. Okay, so 3-point are available. So this stator is called 3-point stator. Mainly 3 points are present, L, F, A. So this stator is called 3-point stator. But 4-point stator, but 4-point stator, there is a present L also, L, F, A present. There are also is additional point N. So this stator is called 4-point stator. The additionally resistance is connected in series. So this point, uh, the bearing is about some difference is functional through the basic operation characteristics remain the same. The basic difference in the circuit of 4-point stator as compared to 3-point stator is the holding coil is removed from the shunt field current and is connected directly across the line with the current limitation resistance in series. Okay, before 3-point stators, the this shunt field is connected with the no volt coil, but 4-point stator we have seen this shunt open shunt field is connected with this run current with directly connected. This is the path. This is directly connected, and the other external point is added in. This point is connected with the no volt coil. This is the extra point. So 4-point stator as compared to 3-point stator is that the holding coil is removed. This holding coil is removed for this sun open sulfur coil. Holding coil is removed. Okay, holding coil is removed from the shunt field current and is connected directly across line current limited resistance series. Now to go the details operation of 4-point stator, let's look at its connection diagram. Okay, this is the connection diagram of the 4-point stator. Main 3-point stator and 4-point have main difference where like a similar construction or principle, but one point here is a 4-point stator be called here is a 4-point stator, namely because there is a 4-pointer available N, L, F, F. 3-point stator have connected have a 3-point. The 3-point are similar, but here is a difference. F is for 3-point stator, F is connected with the no volt coil, but the 4-point stator has removed from the no voltage coil and is directly connected to the run current. Okay, here is adding an point. It is connected by the no volt coil. Okay, this is the correction. A 4-point stator has name suggest has four main operation point, namely number one, L. L is a line terminal. L is the line terminal connected to the positive supply. This is the positive, this is the negative DC supply. Okay, L is the armature terminal. Here is the armature terminal connected with the armature winding. Then F is the field terminal connected to the field winding. Number 4, N. Like in case of 3-point stator, and adding it's there, the 3-point stator ক্ষেত্রে L, F, A are present, but the 4-point stator it is connected to the no volt coil. Okay, to remaining difference in cases, remaining different cases of 4-point stator is that the no voltage coil is connected independently across the supply through the 4 terminal called N is additional to the LFA. Okay, 4-point stator is additional coil 4 terminal called N. This is that. Okay, as a direction consequently of that, only change in the field supply current does not bring the NBC. Okay, as the direct consequently of that, the only change in the field supply current does not bring about the difference in the performance of the NBC. This is called NBC, does not change in NBC. Thus, it must be ensured that no voltage coil is always produced a force. Thus, the must be ensured that no voltage coil. This is called no voltage coil. Okay, no voltage coil is always produced a force. Always produced a force or produce a electromagnetic. Okay, electromagnetic force which is strongly enough to hold the handle. When it produces electromagnetic force, it is a soft iron piece. It is attract and there is a it is attract and turn to this coil, and in this coil is handle it is strongly enough to handle its run position. Okay, against the force of the spring, against the force spring under all the operation conditions such as current adjust through no voltage coil. This coil is no voltage coil adjust through the no voltage coil with the help of fixed resistance are connected in series with the NBC. This is called series resistance R. Okay, series resistance. This is called open circuit shunt resistance with the 4-point N. So in figure. Okay, the 4-point and 3-point stator I have discussed with 3-point stator. The 4-point stator is shown. 4-point and 3-point stator similar. Okay, in all other ways like process variable resistance integrated into number of sectional as shown as figure. This is the sectional resistance. The contact point of this is the contact point. This is the contact point 1 2 3 4 5. This is the contact point of this section are called stars, and that shown separately of 1 2 3 4 5, then run overall which handle is free to be handled manually to relate the starting current with gradually speed. Okay, gradually speed is increases. Now to understand it is its way the operation, let's have to close look at the diagram. And consider the supply is given and handle is taken, then the circuit is compute and the line current that the starting flowing through the starter. Okay, and the current is starting point is starting by the starter. In this situation, we can see that the current will be divided into 3 parts. In this situation, when the current supply, the switch is turned on, when switch is closed or turned on, the supply current is through starting handle. The starting is by the starter machine. Okay, in this situation, we can see the current will be divided into 3 parts. Number 1, first part flow through the starting resistance. First part through the, when the turn on, the first part starting resistance R1 R2 R3 R5, then the where is current is throughout, then the armature. This is the armature of the motor. Okay, to this current is, and the second path flowing through the second path into the field winding. Okay, field winding, this is the field winding. And third part no voltage coil, this is no voltage coil. Third part no voltage coil in series with the protective resistance. This is the series resistance or protective resistance. Okay, so the point to be noted here, is that with this particular arrangement, any change in this shunt field circuit does not bring about any change in the no voltage coil, as the two circuits are independent each other. This circuit independent each other. Okay, this essentially means that the electromagnet pulse selected upon the soft iron bar, this is the soft iron bar. Okay, the soft iron bar are handled by the non voltage loyal coil. This is handled by no voltage loyal coil. Okay, this working principle similar as the 3-point stator, know about, discussed descriptionally. So all the points of time should be high enough to keep the handle at its planned position. This no voltage coil keep the or naturally prevent the spring force, restoring the handle at its original, or restoring the handle at original position, irrespective of how the field resistor is adjusted. This is the working principle of the 4-point stator. The main difference we have seen, 3-point stator has 3 mainly part, but 4-point stator has a 4-point and 3 current part. Okay, but otherwise construction and working principle are both are same, so are not describes the working principle at 4-point stator. Okay, thank you.